harsh, something that the granules are mild. This thing, the granules, so if you cannot lay your hands on those two that I've mentioned, keep hearing body scrub, use body scrub, use body scrub. Always exfoliate your skin, scrub your skin, this, that, all right? But you don't even know what it's all about. Like, what are the purpose of a body scrub? Body scrub removes dead skin cells, and then it allows our skin to absorb moisture better. Now, what are the benefits of body scrubs? Now, body scrub help unclog pores, okay, and prevent ingrown hair. So if you're someone that battles with ingrown hair, this might be one of the reasons, okay, you battle with that, because, or maybe probably it could be that you're not scrubbing your skin properly. So when you exfoliate properly, you're not going to deal with that again. All right, it helps prevent that. Body scrub leaves the skin smoother and even, okay? So if you're battling with uneven skin tone, you don't have the texture of your skin is not smooth, and your complexion is not even, body scrub helps with all of those things: uneven skin, rough texture skin and all that. It makes the skin softer and smoother. Now, to explain further, when the dirt on our skin is not removed properly, it makes the skin dull. It makes the texture of our skin rough. Like, when you touch the skin, it's not, it won't be smooth. We have different types of body scrubs. We have the sugar scrub, the salt scrub, the coffee scrub, the charcoal scrub, and the body polish. First, we are going to talk about sugar scrub. Okay, what is a sugar scrub? What does it do to the skin? Okay, which skin type, or what skin type should use sugar scrub? All right, that's what we're heading into. Sugar scrubs are made from sugar. All right, sugar is a humectant. It pulls water into our skin, thereby leaving our skin hydrated while getting rid of all the dead skin cells. All right, sugar scrubs are gentle, they are not harsh. The sugar scrub is suitable for dry skin people. Okay, if you have a dry skin, sugar scrub might be your best bet. All right, what are the sugar scrub you should look out for? Now, the sugar scrub that I would recommend for dry skin people is the Dr. Mania alpha arbutin sugar scrub. Guys, this scrub is very, very nice. Okay, I've had a lot of testimonies, okay, about this scrub, people raving about this scrub, and not just about hyping it. This scrub does what it says it will do. It gets the work done. It contains alpha arbutin. What does that tell you? It tells you that it's going to exfoliate your skin properly, and then brightens the skin also. Okay, note, I didn't say whitening or lightening, I said brightening. What this means is that after exfoliating your skin, after scrubbing your skin with the Dr. Mania alpha arbutin scrub, you will notice this instant glow, this instant brightness and all of that. Okay, it unveils your skin radiant. I don't know how I'm going to explain it, but after using this Dr. Mania scrub, your skin feels softer and it feels smoother. No jokes. Another scrub that I would recommend for dry skin people is the Tree Hot Shea Sugar Scrub. This is another amazing sugar scrub. Okay, guys, this Tree Hot, it's nice, it is beautiful, it is lovely. So if you cannot get your hands on the Dr. Mania scrub, you can get the Tree Hot. Okay, it's amazing, and also it gets the job done. I like to give more than one product recommendations. Okay, so in case you don't get this, you will get this one. Okay, now the third one I would recommend for dry skin, in case you don't get the Dr. Mania and you don't get the Tree Hot, then you can go for the Face Fact Brown Sugar Body Scrub. This scrub is another amazing sugar scrub. Okay, I believe that you can get any of the three. Okay, they basically does the same thing. Anyone you can lay your hands on, it is fine. The next scrub we're going to talk about is the salt scrub. Salt scrub are made from sea salt. It is a natural exfoliant. It is abrasive in texture. Salt scrub are more like a bit harsh than the sugar scrub I mentioned earlier. Remember I said the sugar scrub is not harsh, okay? It is mild, it is gentle, but the salt scrub is a bit different because it is, you know, it is abrasive and it easily gets rid of dead skin cells from our body. This type of scrub is suitable for people that has normal skin type, okay? So if you have a normal skin, this scrub will be perfect for you. If you have oily skin, you can use this as well, okay? And you've used everything, nothing works for you easily. Like you have a tough skin, should I say stubborn or a tough skin, a salt scrub is going to, you know, work for you very, very well. Trust me. No matter how tough your skin is, when you use a salt scrub, you're gonna get results. Trust me. But that is if you have normal or oily skin. Now, if you have a sensitive skin or a dry skin, please stay away from salt scrub, okay? Because salt scrub is going to irritate your skin if you have a sensitive skin. Have you ever used a scrub and then after scrubbing your body you feel itchy, it scratches you, or it stings you, or you have this tingling sensation on your body? Now that is the work of salt scrub. This is one of the strongest salt you can get there, okay? It's made from sea salt, like I said earlier, okay? So if you have sensitive skin and then you're going to use salt scrub, it will irritate your skin. Take it from me, okay? All right, the salt scrub I'm going to recommend for people that has normal skin type is this one, this baby right here, okay? I don't know if you can see this one here. It's finished, there's nothing inside it, but I have to keep this container for the sake of this video. All right, so this, see this one, I don't know if you can see it, is the S&K Duchess. I think Caribou or Caribou, I don't know, I think Caribou scrub from S&K Duchess. This is a turmeric salt scrub. This scrub is very nice. If you have normal skin or even oily skin, you can opt for this scrub, okay? If you can't see it well, I'm going to attach a picture so you can see it very well. All right, moving on, the next scrub that I am going to recommend for normal skin type is the one and only Cool Spa Salt. Oh my god, it comes like this, all right? And I know most of you know this scrub. Like, this is a very old scrub. It is hard for you to see someone who doesn't know this scrub, okay? Now this is the Cool Spa Salt scrub. It has, this is the rose one, I don't know if you can see it, and it is pink, see, in color. Now if you have a normal skin or even an oily skin, you may want to check this scrub out. It is nice, it is perfect. The reason I like this pink one, this rose one, is because it is not abrasive, okay? It's a salt scrub, all right? Like just like the other variants, the turmeric and the other ones, this one tends to be more gentle on the skin, all right? The granules, I wish I can pour it, just I don't want to stain my hands. I would have showed you what it looks like, all right? It is very soft, it is very, very gentle. All right, so if you know you don't want something very, very harsh, something that the granules are mild, this thing, the granules are just like sugar scrub. The granules of this body scrub is very, very, in fact, very tiny, and it's not harsh. So if you've used the turmeric one and then maybe it is harsh for you, or you've used other variants of Cool Spa Salt, I urge you to try this rose one. It's very, very nice. If you can't get the S&K Duchess one, you can't get the Cool Spa, you can go for Dr. Teal's Relax and Relieve Epsom Salt Scrub. This scrub is nice, it is amazing, okay? You will love it. It's also a salt scrub and it gets the work done. If you have a normal / oily skin, you can go for this scrub. Okay, next on our list is coffee scrub. Coffee is a natural exfoliant and it has anti-inflammatory properties. It is a very good scrub for matured skin. Coffee helps to firm up the skin, okay? So if you're dealing with aged skin, wrinkled skin, saggy skin, stretch mark, cellulite skin, coffee is the best bet for you. Coffee scrub that I will be recommending is the 3 Hot Firming Coffee and Bean Scrub. This is a very nice body scrub. If you can't get that one, then go for Dr. Mania Coffee and Mocha Scrub. This one is another chef's kiss, another amazing scrub that you would love so much. If you can't lay your hands on the 2 scrubs that I've mentioned, go for the Veet Good Coffee and Coconut Scrub. Okay, this is another fantastic coffee scrub out there. Okay, I believe you can lay your hands on. So the next one is Charcoal Scrub. Charcoal Scrub is another amazing scrub out there. All right, charcoal soaks up easily. All right, what does that mean? It pulls out all the dead skin cells out of our skin. Okay, charcoal is a very great scrub for people with acne prone skin. Okay, so if you have acne prone skin, oily / acne prone skin, this is a very good scrub for you. All right, the reason I like this scrub is I've experienced it. Okay, if you have back, acne, chest acne, anywhere you have acne on your body, trust me, charcoal is like a treatment scrub. It is perfect for that. Okay, oily skin, acne prone skin, go for charcoal scrub. It is perfect for your skin type. The charcoal scrub you should go for is the Dr. Mania charcoal scrub. This is an amazing charcoal scrub out there. Then if you can't get that one, you can also go for the 3 Hot Charcoal Scrub. It is also amazing. Then if you can't get your hands on these ones, Spa has a charcoal scrub too, but the only thing is that it is a salt scrub, but it is a charcoal scrub, so you can also try that as well. The next one is the body polish. Okay guys, this is one of my favorite one. It is a type of body scrub, but it's a body polish, and it has finer particles, meaning that it is not harsh, it is not abrasive, it is soft, it is creamy in texture. All right, it soothes, it smoothens the skin, it pampers the skin. No, you don't like stress, just go for this type of body scrub. All skin type can use a body polish anyways, but the people that will benefit more from this are those with sensitive skin, because sensitive skin, anything can irritate you. If you cough, you laugh, you get irritated. You blink, you get irritated. You go outside, you get irritated. Air can irritate you, anything can irritate you. This body polish is suitable for your skin type. Okay, it will never irritate you. In fact, you won't even know you applied anything. It's like you applying cream on your body. So yes, it is gentle like that. So trust me, you're going to love it and you're going to benefit from it. Okay, who says sensitive skin cannot scrub? You can, all right, but just go for the right one for your skin so you don't get irritated. All right, now the body polish I would recommend for sensitive skin type is the Soap and Glory body polish. Guys, this is an amazing body polish. Okay, now if you cannot get the Soap and Glory body polish, you can go for the Dove body polish. This is one of the best body polish out there, trust me. This Dove body polish, amazing. Then if you cannot get these two, which I doubt because Dove is very popular, yeah, even the Soap and Glory one, but I think Dove is more popular. You can get Dove anywhere you are. Okay, it doesn't matter the country you are. But if you cannot get these two that I've mentioned, you can then go for this one of my fave. Right, this is the Eden body scrub. Okay, and this body scrub is very, very gentle, very gentle. When you're using this body scrub, you won't even know you're scrubbing your skin. It has a cream-like texture. It's just like you just applying cream on your body and just scrubbing it gently, and it pampers the skin, it smooths the skin. This is not the first time I'm talking about this body scrub on this channel. this Eden body scrub is very, very good. So if you cannot lay your hands on those two that I've mentioned, you can get this. If you have other products you want me to talk about or review on this channel, just let me know on the comment section, all right? And I'll do just that. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts on the comment section. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to watch my other videos and give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. And remain blessed. I love you all. Mwah.